It's another good morning. Welcome to San Carlos. And when in San Carlos, stay at Carmeli's Inn. So this is a nice place, cheap. They have a restaurant, clean, comfortable rooms, affordable prices, very reasonable. Let's check them out. Carmel's Inn at Carlos Ledesma Senior Avenue. It's the main highway in San Carlos City. So this is the place. This is the restaurant. And okay, this is where you check in. And let's check out their prices. Nobody's here yet. It's early in the morning. And their prices are this, so very reasonable. And this is my room. Look, very nice and clean. And this is the bathroom. First, the room rates though doesn't come with breakfast, but they serve yummy food, breakfast in the restaurants. But yay! Apparently this place isn't available online. We just drove past it, or we just saw the sign while driving along the way and got in. Seems to be a nice place. So we checked in. There are a lot of nice places here in San Carlos, cheap and affordable places. But I think they're still not on the map, and I think that would be a good time for me to put them on the map and help you in your exploration of the islands of the Philippines. So this is Joan of Arc here at Carmel's Inn in San Carlos. I have a word for you in Cebuano. It's ganahan ko. Ganahan ko means I like, literally, or you can say I like it. So ganahan ko, from the word gana, and ko is me or I. This is Joan of Arc. Ganahan ko nimo. Yako San Carlos karon. Bye bye for now.